Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Section 06, CI/CD and Developer Tools Lesson 01, Elastic Beanstalk. Elastic Beanstalk is a service provided by Amazon Web Services, AWS, that simplifies the process of deploying and managing applications in the cloud. It supports several programming languages, such as Java, .NET, PHP, Node.js, Python, Ruby, Go, and Docker. Here's how Elastic Beanstalk works. 1. Application upload. You start by uploading your application code to Elastic Beanstalk. This could be a web application, a backend service, or any other type of application. 2. Environment creation. Elastic Beanstalk then creates an environment to run your application. This environment includes the necessary AWS resources, such as EC2 instances, load balancers, databases, if needed, and auto-scaling configurations. 3. Application deployment. Once the environment is set up, Elastic Beanstalk deploys your application code to the environment, making it accessible over the internet. 4. Automatic scaling. Elastic Beanstalk can automatically scale your application based on traffic. It can add more EC2 instances or adjust the capacity of the existing instances to handle varying load levels. 5. Monitoring and management. Elastic Beanstalk provides tools to monitor the health of your application and the underlying infrastructure. You can view metrics, logs, and performance data through the AWS Management Console or command line interface. 6. Integrated services. Elastic Beanstalk integrates with other AWS services, such as RDS, Relational Database Service, S3, Simple Storage Service, and CloudWatch, to provide a comprehensive application deployment and management platform. Overall, Elastic Beanstalk simplifies the process of deploying and managing applications in the cloud, allowing developers to focus more on building their applications and less on managing infrastructure.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.